In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily do long division. Let's say we want to divide 4, 7, 3, 5 by 5. The first thing we do is we try to divide the 5 into the first digit. This won't work. So we now try to divide 5 into the first 2 digits. So that's 5 into 47. This goes 9 times. 9 times 5 is 45. So we write that underneath the 47. And we take 45 from 47, which leaves us with 2. Always make sure that all your numbers are correctly lined up in the right columns. So in this case, we're dividing into 47, so the 9 must be above the 7. This number here should always be between 0 and this number here. If it's not, then you've chosen the wrong number up here. Okay, the next step is to bring down the 3. So we now have 23. We divide 5 into 23, which goes 4 times. Again, keep them all in the right column. 4 times 5 is 20. We write 20 there. Again, underline it. 20 from 23 is 3. Bring down the 5. Now we can do 5s into 35 equals 7. 7 times 5 is 35, so that's an exact match, and so we finished. So the answer is 947. Now let's just quickly check that on the calculator. 4735 divided by 5. 947. So we're correct. Okay, let's try another one. Let's try 2, 4, 7, 8, and we're going to divide that by 7. Okay, 7's into 2. Don't go. 7's into 24, go 3 times. 3 goes above the 4. 3 times 7 is 21. 21 from 24 is 3. Now bring down the 7. 7's into 37 goes 5 times. Again, keep them all in the right columns. 5 times 7 is 35. Underline, difference of 2. We can now bring down the 8. 7's into 28 go 4. 4 7s are 28, so we have an exact match. There is no difference, and so that is the answer, 354. Again, let us check that. We have 2478, 2478 divided by 7 equals 354. Once again, we are correct. Now let's try a slightly harder one. Let's do 3, 4, 5, 6 divided by 12. Okay, 12 obviously doesn't go into 3. 12's into 34 goes twice. 2 12s are 24. 24 from 34 leaves 10. Bring down the 5. 105. So 12s into 105 go, that's going to be about 8 times. 8 12s are 96. That leaves us with 9. Bring down the 6. 12s into 96. That goes 8 again. 8 12s are 96. And again, we're now left with 0. So that is an exact answer. So the correct answer is 288. Let's do that on the calculator again. 3, 4, 5, 6 divided by 12, 288. We're good. Now let's try this one. Okay. 303.6 divided by 11. Right, 11s into 30 go twice. 2 times 11 is 22. 22 from 30 is 8. Bring down the 3. 11s into 83 go 7. 7 times 11 is 77. 77 from 83 is 6. Bring down the 6. Now in this one, you've got to be careful and remember where your decimal point is. If you've lined all these up okay, then your decimal point is exactly above the decimal point here. Okay, 11s into 66 go 6 times. 6 11s are 66. That's an exact match again. So that is our answer, 27.6. Again, let's just check that with the calculator. We have 303.6 divided by 11 equals 27.6. So again, that is correct. And we've got the decimal point in exactly the right place. Okay, let's try a harder one. Let's try 7 into 4813. Okay, 7s into 4 don't go. 7s into 48 go 6. 6 7s are 42. 42 from 48 is 6. Bring down the 1. 7s into 61 go 8 times. 8 times 7 is 56, which leaves us with 5. Bring down the 3. 7s into 53 go 7. 7 times 7 is 49. Now this time we've reached the end of our numbers and we haven't got an exact match. So what we're going to do here is we're going to extend this line. I'm going to change this number into 0.00, put my decimal point above, and this now gives me some zeros to bring down. So let's just take the 49 from the 53, which is 4. I can now bring that 0 down, and I can now do 7s into 40, which is 5. 5 7s are 35. Difference is 5. Bring down the other 0. 7s into 50 go 7. 7 times 7 is 49. Difference is 1, but this time we've got no more zeros to bring down. But we can if we want to. We can just carry on extending this forever, and we can carry on putting in zeros as long as we want. But at some point, we want to stop. We don't want to carry on doing that. So we've reached 687.57, and that's probably close enough. So let's just quickly check that. So what do we have? 4813 divided by 7 equals 687.57. So we're correct. But look what would have happened. It would have just carried on forever. We would have got another 142857. And then it looks like it's just going to repeat again. Okay. So that's it. We are right. Let's try a harder one. Okay, this time we're going to do 0.12 divided into 4.382. This is slightly more difficult because this is a decimal, it's not a whole number. So I'm going to make this a lot easier by multiplying this and multiplying this by 100. So multiplying that by 100 gives us just 12. So we've moved the decimal point over 2 places. And I'm going to do exactly the same to this number. Move the decimal point over 2 places, which multiplies it by 100. That gives us 438.2. This is now an easy problem to solve. 12s into 43 go 3. 3 12s are 36. Difference is 7. Bring down the 8. 12s into 78 go 6. 6 12s are 72. Difference is 6. Bring down the 2. 12s into 62 are 5. 5 12s are 60. Difference is 2. I'm going to go no further with this. We've got 1 decimal place, which is good enough. So the answer is 36.5 something. Okay, let's just check that on the calculator. We have 4.382 divided by 0.12, 36.5. 36.5. So that's good. Another correct answer. Okay, this is a harder one. 16,638 divided by 47. Right, this is harder because we're dividing by a larger number here, and I'm assuming you don't know your 47 times table. So what we need to do here is write out our 47 times table. So 1 times 47 is 47, 2 is 94, 3 is 141, 4 is 188, 5 is 235, and 6 is 282. Okay, I could continue, but I think that's going to be enough for this exercise. Right, 47s into 1, can't do. 47s into 16, can't do. 47s into 166. That's going to be 3 times. So we put 3 in there. Remember to put it over you're doing it into 166, put it into the final column there of that 166. So 3 47s are 141. Take that away, you get 5, 2, nothing. Bring down the 3. Now got 47s into 253, which is 5 times. 5 47s are 235. That's going to leave us with 8 and 1. Bring down the other 8. 47s into 188, exactly 4 times. 4 47s are 188. Nothing left over. We're okay. Decimal point is on the end there, decimal point is on the end there. Okay, we don't need to add any more zeros this time because it's an exact match. So the answer is 354. Let's check the calculator. 16638 divided by 47 equals 354. Excellent, we are correct again. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more, please subscribe.